students, welcome back to social studies. Yes, what have we studied about previous class? Yes, we studied at previous class about shrubs, herbs, tree in different types of plants, right? And what all the uses of plants, how it will be uses for many things, right? For food for cow, and it will use for human beings for the purpose of curing and healing, like for the main purpose of medicine. And it can be grown, as well as it is also very useful to grow to be a strong, as well as it produces silk hair. And it is also house for the birds, and it is also uses for the birds in which way, in the form of dwelling here. And it is also useful for the butterflies or the insects for the suck nectar from it, right? Next, now everybody open your page number 17. In the can see I am a different in the different places. We'll see. Yes, some plants are grown in plains where it is warm. Yes, warm. If take as example where we are staying, especially a particular that places is which all we can grow: mango tree, black currant, guava tree and coconut tree. Those and all we can grow in where it is warm. Okay, those trees we usually grows in the warm places. Yes, next we will see some plants are grown in the cold places like the mountains. Yes, obviously few plants are grown in the especially mountain, like coldest places, those and all. Okay, it will be more plants and trees, right? Though, so there it will be almost on cold place. So on such weather, which all plants it will grow: fir, pine. If we go that mountain signs, we can see such kind of plants. Okay, yes, next we'll see some plants are grown in the desert where there is a very little water. Yes, in desert side we can't see a very high, very more water. Okay, there we can see very low water, as well as not every place will be in desert. Wherever want we can't see the water, only at few places we can see. So on those area particular we can see growing a cactus and plums. So such kind of plants we can see especially on the desert side, because there is no more water, there is a very little water, so that we can see only such type of plants. Okay, next we'll see some plants are grown in water. Yes, not few plants are grown in water. Example, everybody knows that where the lotus will be grow. Yes, lotus is always grown in the water, as well as water. Hyacinth is also grown in the water, in the ponds, lakes. So in such kind of areas we can grow such plants. Okay, yes. Now everybody open a page number 18. In that, see, especially this will be your homework. What you have to do: write two plants. I already explained now, right? Which all warm weather plants, cold weather plants, desert plants, water plants. So you only fill it this. Now I will do second main trees. For trees, what I have to give? Two example. Yes, I'll give now. For trees, I'll give now mango tree and mango tree and coconut tree. Okay, Yes, next we'll see for shrubs. Shrubs are nothing but bushes, which all we can see on those. For bushes we can see rose plant and jasmine plant, right? Yes. For herbs, which all we can see, the plant which will be very weak and which will grow very short upon the earth, I mean upon the soil, those known as mint and coriander. Coriander. Okay. For climbers, which all we can see, yes, money plant and cucumber plant we can see in the climber plants, etc. You have to write etc. for each and everything. Okay, not only those plants, we have more, right? Yes, so what we have to write, etc. Okay, we got to know trees, mango trees and coconut trees. In shrubs are nothing but bushes, which all we can consider rose plant and jasmine plant. For herbs, which all we can consider mint and coriander, etc. For climbers, money plant and cucumber plants, etc. Okay, yes, next we'll see uses of plants. Already I said, right, how the plants is useful and in which all those we can use those plants, we got through, no, right? Yes, we'll see how the plants is useful. Okay, yes, now we will see through. Everybody open a page number 20. Open your page number 20 and we'll go through this completely at the next class. Okay, anyway students, bye, meet you up at the next class.